Are you ready to finally attract the right partner for a healthy and lasting relationship? I'm super excited to share this with you today. Welcome. My name is Christina Abad. I'm a love and relationship coach for driven and ambitious women, and I'm super excited to share with you how you can attract the right partner for a healthy relationship. I created my brand new 3-day Dare to Date challenge online. And I'm super excited to be able to share this with you because let's get real. Things in the world are rapidly changing. And one of our biggest tools for staying in touch is the online space. And I know so many of my ladies that are driven and ambitious women are hoping and wishing that they had a partner that was supportive, that was there for them, especially during times like this. And if that sounds like you, I want to share with you that there's no time like the present to actually make deep and lasting connections. Just the way you wish you had someone to support you, to encourage you, and be there for you, men are feeling the same way too. And due to everything that's going on in the world, more and more people are looking and going to the online space as a tool to keep in touch, make connections, and meet love and find that partner that they've been wanting for a relationship. Now, I've heard that, many people haven't had luck online. And I want to share with you today how you can discover how to make your best first impression online so that you can attract the right partner, someone who's actually looking to connect on a deeper level, someone who's looking to get to know you and not looking to waste your time, not just wanting to get into your pants or just, to hook up for a one night stand. In my 3-day Dare to Date online challenge, you'll discover exactly how to put your best foot forward online. Because let's get real, you only have a couple of seconds to make the best first impression. And in my 3-day online Dare to Date challenge, I'll share with you how to put your best foot forward, how to make your profile, right? What app to use. There's so many out there. And I want to share that with you because, like I said, right now is the time for you to connect, to really deeply connect with someone who's also looking to be in a committed relationship. Let's be honest, tomorrow is never promised. And for those of you that keep saying, I need to heal, I have to work on myself, there's no better way to work on yourself than actually going for what you want. And I share this with you because I've seen so many women who have kept themselves from the relationships, that have kept themselves from enjoying a healthy dating life because of this. I also wanted to share, if you are ready to discover, how to put your best foot forward, how to attract the right guys, not guys that are going to waste your time, not guys that are, looking for superficial relationships, but real men who are looking for real connections. And for those of you who are ready to step into a healthy relationship, one that's committed, one that offers support, encouragement, loyalty, then this is for you. I'm super excited to share with you exactly how to do that on the online space. Not only will I be showing you how to, once again, attract the right type of men with, the right information on your profile, but also, what not to do. The biggest mistakes that you want to avoid when you're starting to get to know someone online, when you're chatting, when you're getting to know someone, what not to do so that you don't self-sabotage or, mess it up. So once again, I'm super excited to invite you to join the free 3-day Dare to Date online challenge. You'll have access by just entering your information below. And once again, you'll discover exactly how to put your best foot forward online, what mistakes to avoid, and how you can finally attract guys that are serious about being in a committed relationship. So I'm super excited to share this with you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Don't forget, subscribe below, and I'll see you on the inside.